I am Kamal Kant Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Automobile Engineering Department. Today we are discussing about vehicle dynamic forces. There are many types of forces: longitudinal forces, lateral forces, gravitational forces, side forces, and motions are there. Uh, then Newton's law of motion. We can use Newton's law of motion in this chapter. Third law consider reaction forces, free body diagrams, and other things. Important application like no action without reaction. Overview of Newton's law of motions. First law, body equilibrium positions. Net forces. Second law of motions. Force, mass, acceleration, momentums. Rotational motions like torque, moment of inertia, angular acceleration, etc. Then we discuss about the ground force and friction addition force. Ground force is, we look at the car diagram. This is the vertical downward force. This is both reaction of tires, front axles and rear axles. This is original force diagram. Gravitational force G and forward force L, backward force Ft. Ft is called the traction force. This is the vertical downward force G, gravitational force Mg like G, and traction force T, and this is the traction force Ft, actual traction force between tire and road surface. Addition force, this is called addition forces or friction forces. Between tire rubber surface and road concrete or bituminous surface. This is overview of the gear torque transmission. So first diagram we show the gear definition of gear ratio, driven gear, driver gears, inputs and outputs like 1:2, 2:1, 3:1, like speed or torque ratio. Then we discuss about transmission power loss. So P output equal to P input into eta Z. Eta is the transmission losses. Transmission torque, T output equal to T input. I is the gear ratio and eta Z is the power loss. So vehicle, then we discuss second pictures of vehicle. Vehicle consists engine, input element, then leverage element, transmission, then output element, wheel. So finally drive in the wheel or road surface. So engine is connected to gearbox and gearbox is connected to engine and gearbox is connected to wheel. Then this is some formula about the vehicle transmission required. Eta W equal to NE upon ITR. TW total traction force. TE equal to ITR equal to NTR. ITR and eta TR is denoted to transmission. NE and TE for engines, or NW TW for wheels. W denoted to wheel and TR denoted to transmission and E denoted to engine. So NE is the engine speed, ITR is the efficiency. Okay. So next slide, engine to wheel torque transmission. So transmission system of gear pairs connected in series. Transmission system gear pair connected in series, always connected in series. First gear, second gear, then third gear, then fourth gear, and top gears, or then reverse gear. These gears all are connected in series. And final drive, a passenger car transmission equal to gearbox plus final drive. Transmission has gearbox plus final drive. Final drive consists differential or final reduction of the gear. This is called Sun and Planck. This is called ring gears or pinion gears. So this is the final drive calculation. ITR IGI into IF and NTR, NG, NF. This is final formula. This will be discussed previous slide. This was discussed in previous slide. Gravity effect. So there are many forces included in the vehicle dynamics. So we discuss about some forces: gravity force effect, G, aerodynamic force, RA, tire rod and traction, for traction, T, overview of forces, tire forces, side slips. Side slips are considered lateral forces, all lateral forces. Load dependence, important, CG position. So B considers CG out mid of the vehicles. Gravity force. So this calculation for gravity force, or this is angle alpha from vertical. This is ground alpha angle from ground, and front axle weight WF, rear axle weight WR, distance between front axle to CG. This is CG. CGA, distance between WR to CGB. Motion resistance on the grade road with vector decomposition. So we consider all the forces and calculate them. Movement about A, movement about B, movement about A. So we calculate WF. WF equal to B upon LW cos alpha minus SCG upon LW sin alpha. B movement about B. This point is called B, missing point. WR equal to A upon LW cos alpha SCG upon LW sin alpha. When alpha is 0, the WF equal to B upon L into W. WR equal to AR, A upon L into W. This is minus sign, this is plus sign. Front minus, rear plus. Then we consider aerodynamic forces. So formula is aerodynamic forces is Fw equal to Cw into A rho V square upon T, where Fw is aerodynamic forces, Cw aerodynamic constant, A is the area of the surface, rho is the density of air, V is the velocity of air. So we consider lift force, lateral force, and all other forces in aerodynamic forces. So next we discuss about the tire behavior. Tire behavior consider first most important factor is rolling resistance. So let's see the diagram. Contact pressure distribution of non-moving tire. This is free tire, free from earth surface. This is a loaded tire from earth surface to ground. So this spring is compressed and this spring is free, and this is the total load diagram of the tire to earth surface. This reaction denote to the force reaction of the ground surface opposite direction. So this is the weight W, or opposite reaction from vehicle weight. Rolling tire high stresses effect. So every action required reaction. This is the tire, and Wt is the force, Fx is the traction force, and Rx is the maximum reaction force due to earth surface. Rz also a forces. Rd is the rolling radius. Okay, so this is press shock for press the tire. Internal these shows the internal elastic force or internal friction force from both sides.